Racing, followed by Final View. Radio Security. Parisil El Haleo by some 6 and nearing the finish line. The third leg of the locally bred stakes race goes to El Haleo.
Maraming salamat sa Bayang Karerista sa suporta at nandiyan kayo sana lagi. Salamat.
Horses for the 2025 Piracom third leg hopeful stakes race.
He's fighting back down on the inside. Habebi Scout. Down on the outside. Sweep Andre. Habebi Scout. Lilibel. Maricel. Sweep Andre. Habebi Scout. Entering the finish line is going to be Habebi Scout.
Maraming salamat sa suporta sa lahat ng mga nanood ngayong karera na to. Yung strategy na ginawa ko doon, una yung sinunod ko lang yung order ng trainer. Then ayun, lahat naman nangyari naman yung mga dapat namin gawin. Nanalo kami. Maraming salamat.
Horses for the 2025 Piracom third leg Triple Crown stakes race.
Long shot down on the inside board. Binalot AU takes the lead. Constatic over. Running by the Marvelous on the outside. College Rider. And as the District 1 by about 2.5 lengths. Transform to take second. Third leg belongs to District 1. Transform College.
Salamat ulit sa Piracom kay Chairman Rain. At sa Panginoon, syempre. Ito, pinagkaloob nga. maraming salamat.
Thank you.